Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Spooky, whenever it snows, roads can get really slippery with ice, so it's important to go slower than you.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz.
Your next stop is the hospital! Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Now, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to...
Movie. I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PP.
If they do it, these are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Wat langs de weg neer te zetten en toen gebeurde het. Oh, dat doet zeer. Het is een gloeiende bol van fel blauw schijnend licht dat rondwaart in ons dorp.
Feel dusty. Feels great.
Back in the saddle again. Hey, Skipper.
Well, they didn't have these.
Good to have you back, honey.
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run.
The more I thought about the dragon, the more I started to worry there might be one around it.
Sterling, did you say Lightning McQueen was here? Because I don't see him anywhere.
But
Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner un buen alto al Rayo McQueen. ¡Oh!
McQueen's the winner. Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
this is impossible.
I hereby dub thee.
You, sir, are officially incognito. Nobody's bothering you.
Great.
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Go on, Cat 2.
Why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Over here.
In the wild, feared dead, he emerged 36 days later, running enough fuel he distilled himself from the...
First, I'm gonna loosen up these ancient joints.
No, please don't.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, I didn't want to have to do this, Doc, but you leave me no choice. Fellow citizens,
He's lost another tire. The King and Chick are coming up fast. They're entering turn.
so Mater, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is at his side. I will.
Beans out.
time, man, Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Lightning, come on. You've done the work. Now move on to the next phase and reap the reward. Unless they wanted to. After microscopic examination, I have found that it has one small weakness. When hit with an electric...
He cut himself off, disappeared to radiator springs. Son of a gun didn't talk to me for 50